Custom Rollform products has become one of the advanced leaders in production equipment. In today's ever-changing market, we have developed new designs and concepts which will give you the competitive edge that no other company can offer. The wave of the future calls for dedicated on-time production systems, pre-tooled applications with a minimum amount of setup, downtime, or changeover required. The equipment you will be seeing has been completely designed, engineered, and manufactured by Custom Rollform products, with a broad background in coil lines, rollformers, punch and notch systems, and end-form or tangent former systems. Our complete system design allows us to tailor complete turnkey production lines to match your application. The next system was designed and manufactured to form a three-sided plenum wrapper from pre-notched, pre-painted blanks. The system incorporated a Destack and feed system, dual-head rollformer, and a 4-ram Endformer wing bender unit. The Destack and feed incorporated a roller bed that allowed the 2 skids of material to be loaded in the machine, a sheet fanner to separate the sheets, a vacuum lift and feed, double part detector, and conveyor feed. We started with a 12-inch maximum stack height. The vacuum lift and feed will continue to feed the top sheet from the stack down to the last sheet on the skid. This eliminates the need to raise or index the stack. The sheets are placed on the conveyor and positioned between the infeed guides, which align the part to the rollformer. The blanks are then transferred into and through the rollformer. As the blanks are fed through the rollformer, the front and back edge flange is formed. They will then be transferred directly into the combination endform and wingform system. Once located, the former is sequenced. It will form the 90-degree flange on both ends, then form the panel into a completed 3-sided wrapper. The part is then ejected onto an exit conveyor to the next operation. The former upper ram on the forming unit is notched to accommodate the 4 width variations. The rams are set up on slide beds and pinned in location for the variety of wrapper sizes required. The entire system is designed to protect the pre-painted panels from marking or scratching the painted surface. You'll notice the open throat ram construction allows the parts to feed from the end and eject out the side. The outer end forming units form the 90-degree flange on both ends, then retract and clear out of the way while the inner 2 rams final form the part.